going to express the grief of Dome caste. And in this connection, I would like to draw the attention of Honorable Prime Minister of India, Honorable Chief Minister of Bihar, and Honorable Governor of Bihar, and all political party leaders. Friends, it is a matter of great sorrow that 72 years have passed since India became free, but not even a single member of Dome caste has reached in Vidhan Sabha, Vidhan Parishad, Raj Sabha and Lok Sabha. Who is responsible for this very important question for the whole country? Now, who is responsible for this? One hand, all the leaders of political party worship Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar on the occasion of the birthday of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, the Indian Constitution maker. On this occasion or any occasion, they addressed meeting and they address to their party workers that we should follow the way of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. So I want to ask the question, are they following the way of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar? It is 100% correct that they are not following the way of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar. So, this caste is a historical caste. From life to death, according to Hindu religion, there are 16 sacraments from life to death. Last sacrament is done, is performed, and that sacrament is called Agni Yatra. In Hindu religion, Dome gives the fire on the mouth of a dead person. Then he gets moksha. In Hindi we say moksha prapti. So then this caste has been performing the last sacrament of life. And his position is in the last. This caste is standing in the last queue. There is no political awareness in this caste. It is fact. There is no awareness in this caste. Political awareness. So, it is a matter of great sorrow that this caste is far from political awareness, education. So it is the duty of the leaders who say himself that I am the follower of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, or who follows or who say himself Ambedkarwadi. It is their duty to attention this caste. This caste has been involved in scheduled caste. And in Bihar, our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Nitish Kumar, has put this caste in Mahadalit. So Dome caste, we can say in other words that this caste is also in Mahadalit. Actually, this caste is far from politics, is far from education. Then how can the leader say that they are Ambedkarwadi? You can imagine, besides Dome caste, some castes have raised have got political advantage. Ravidas caste, Musahar caste, Dusad caste, Pasi caste. Besides these 4 castes, a lot of members have got political advantage and they are in power for a long time. But not even a member of a single member of Dom caste has reached in Vidhan Sabha, Vidhan Parishad, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha from Bihar. So you can comparison how differs this caste and the other caste who belongs to Mahadalit. So it is a matter of great sorrow that all the leaders of political party, even the Prime Minister, in their addresses, that we should follow the way of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. So I want to ask the question, a specific question to the Prime Minister. Is he following the way of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar? Myself is Krishna Kumar Ambedkar, and once upon a time I sent my application for the membership of Scheduled Caste Commission in central government. But I was disappointed because I belong Dom caste. Therefore, I was neglected. And Joginder and Mr. Joginder Paswan, who was the workers of Bharatiya Janata Party, nominated as the member of Scheduled Caste Commission. But I was not nominated, though I was most senior according to the field of education and also experience, working experience. In spite of this, I was disqualified. So where is social justice? Where is Ambedkar Wadi? So I request the Prime Minister of India that he should give attention of this caste. Not even a single member of this caste, of Dom caste, has also reached in central government commissions from Bihar. And it is a matter of great sorrow that Bihar Rajya Bharatiya Janata Party has never sent any one person who is the worker of Bharatiya Janata Party and who belongs to Dom caste for the membership of any commission or any committee in central government. So how can they say that they followed the way of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar? It means that for voting, they say so. But here in Bihar, I request our Honorable Chief Minister, who is real Ambedkar Wadi, Mr. Nitish Kumar ji, and Honorable Governor of Bihar, Mr. Nitish Kumar ji, is really Ambedkar Wadi because he has nominated, he had sacrificed his chair and gave his chair to Mr. Jitan Ramanji, who belongs Musal caste. So really, our leader and Honorable Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Nitish Kumar is Ambedkarwadi. Therefore, I request him that 29 seats of MLC has vacated. One seat should be given this caste. One seat should be given of this caste, because this caste is actually standing in the last queue, and for a long time our Honorable Chief Minister has been saying that we should attention that caste who is standing in the last queue of this society. Therefore, myself, Krishna Kumar Ambedkar, who is Secretary General in Janata Dal United in Education Cell, and Chairman of Akhil Bharatiya Dom Vikas Manch, request Honorable Chief Minister Ji Mr. Nitish Kumar and Honorable Governor. In Governor quota, 12 seats of MLC is vacant, and in Chief Minister quota, 17 seats, 4 seats in graduate level and 4 seats in teachers have been vacant, and 9 seats will be fulfilled in Chief Minister quota. Therefore, all 29 seats have been vacated. So, I request, especially Chief Minister, our Honorable Chief Minister Mr. Nitish Kumar Ji and Honorable Governor of Bihar, that one seat of MLC should be given this caste, this Dome caste. Then all people who belongs to Dome caste and will understand really Mr. Nitish Kumar is a Ambedkarwadi leader, and I have full faith in our Honorable Chief Minister that our Honorable Chief Minister will do justice of this society. Surely he will, I think and I believe, Mr. Nitish Kumar, that he will do this duty and will give his MLC seat to this caste. In the last, I request all the leaders of India, not only Chief Minister of Bihar, I request all the politicals of India that they should think about this caste position, where this caste is standing, what is political situation of this caste. Really, if they are follower of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, they should notice of this caste, and each political party should give importance to this caste. Each and every party, that it is the duty of each and every party who are the follower of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. In the last, I would request all of the countrymen that if they like my speech, they share or also subscribe. Many thanks. Jai Bhim, Jai Bharat.